Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Divya English Academy. First of all, I just want to appreciate all the kids spoken English class students. You are doing really very good job. And then we are very much delighted to see you joining from different states in our country. Some of you are doing really very good job in speaking. You have got a confident within 1 month speaking English, doing conversation, asking questions and responding any questions in English language, which is making me to feel happy. And I do want to appreciate all the parents also making use of this time for your kids learning English through this YouTube channel, Divya English Academy, as well as through our online classes, which are conducted on Google Meet application. And there is another information for you based on your queries. The queries keep on coming from various places. It is not possible to take maximum students in evening time because we want to make sure 10 to 15 students are taken in a batch so that all of them they get the opportunity to speak out. Learning language requires practice, and then for practice students they need to speak it out with me, with the teacher, any trainer who is teaching you in online class. And then talking to each students, it takes a lot of time. That means we cannot take more students in particular batch. That's why we planned a new batch for our kids spoken English online class in the morning time. And it is for those students, some of you those who have got holidays and then are totally free, you are available to join in the morning also, evening also. So we suggest you to join in the morning batch. It can begin around 7:30 or 8 o'clock to 9:30, something like that. We will have enough time in the morning time to practice and learn grammar, conversation, spoken, listening, reading, writing, storytelling, debates, discussions. One kind of a complete language course we provide for kids in our online classes by providing you PDF and then giving you enough practice of speaking language, how language really can be learnt by your trainer, and which takes you very short period of time learning language if you are learning from an expert, though you can learn it by yourself, but that takes a long time. Our classes are very unique, different than others. Some of you already know, and most of you are not aware of. You are requested to watch our YouTube videos, get some confident, but don't require most of the time for having demo class, because what demo do you require from us for a kid joining 1 and 2 days? At least for 1 month, leave your kids in our online class, and then after that, let us know and let me know has improvement really taken in their life or not. If after that anything is lacking, you definitely can let me know. So in the short period of time for checking demo and all, we may not have that much time to do that, because while watching other videos you should get motivated and then confident, yes, and then do take a risk for joining 1 month in this online class and then see the performance. So if any learners, kids, parents, anyone are interesting, so let me know, because already we started, few students are there in the morning batch, and then we want few more selected students to get participated, especially those who are studying in third class, fourth class, fifth class, and then sixth, seventh, eighth, anyone it can be. But especially we are requiring, I think, especially we are in need of third and fourth, fifth class students, those who can participate in the morning batch. And apart from that, if anyone are there, so you do send the message in WhatsApp and get confirmed is it available for you or not. Do join, we benefit it, because we are here to assist you. And the purpose of teaching language kids is something like that, because it is better to train our kids from their childhood itself learning English language. Don't put them in trouble later on, because most of the time it is being seen that after getting the education from universities, from colleges, from schools, students they have got very good marks, good percentage, but still the communication is not being done in their training. They are not confident in spoken English, speaking in English. They don't have that much confidence, and then they, after that, they do join the courses in somewhere for improving their English speaking communication skills. So because I believe that learning language is the best time when you are as a kid, any language you can learn from the childhood itself. If we give you practice, how language has to be spoken out, practicing speaking, the way of saying sentences, how it has to be spoken out, not teaching the rules of grammar, but just giving you information, ideas, the way of speaking out, and this is the way it has to be spoken out, telling you some structures and then some practical methods of practicing language. Once you get aware of that, then definitely you get the confident in speaking language. Hope all these informations are clear. What are our fee charges and all, we let you know in the WhatsApp. It is the minimum and reasonable. And then, but one thing is sure, that in our online class the kids, they do improve their language. Definitely there is no doubt at all. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.